Worry about the thing. Let the thing, it can be alright. Worry about the thing, it can be alright. If it can be alright.